billion, billion, $1 billion virgin. Let's go, folks. What's up? I have a great video for you. Listen, I want you to imagine a bot. I'm gonna give you a bot in this video here that will guarantee you, if long as you pay close attention and listen to everything that you're gonna hear in this video here, up to $1,000 per day with a free bot. Okay, it's free. You don't have to spend any money. It is free. It's easy to do. Before we get started here, remember, go ahead and sub to the channel. Let's get it, baby. Where's that energy? Let's go. Okay, now check it out. First step is this. Go to this site, Designheal.com, all right? Can you hear me? Go to Designheal.com. This is a website where basically the #1 creative marketplace to basically do exactly what you're trying to do, which is to make money online. And as you can see here, you got companies like the BBC, Deloitte, Microsoft. They all are trusted businesses for Designheal.com. Well, listen, I'm not going to waste a bunch of your time. Give me 1 second, guys. I know you can't see this here. Can everybody see this? Smash the like button if you can see and you can hear me clearly here. Scroll down. Do it with me, please. Okay. And what you're going to do is, I promise you guys, a bot. You see where it says business tools? Well, this is where you're going to find the bot that does all the work for you to bring in $900 to $1,000 a day. And the great thing about this tool, if you want more money, it's simple. And I'm going to give you another way to make more money with this bot if you're interested. I'm talking about $2,000, $3,000 a day. And this works because, well, I do it as well. Now, check it out. You click on business tools, okay? Boom. You're going to go to a screen that looks like this. Are you guys with me here? Let me know if you can see this. I want to make sure everybody is watching this and you paying close attention, because there's no reason why this year you should be broke, okay? There's no reason people out here like me should be making all this money and you're not doing anything. Most people just don't pay attention, listen to the very end, and actually take action, okay? So this is called Free Small Business Tools. You must be on this page. This is step 2 here. You want to scroll down. As you can see here, we have many tools here, okay? We have barcode generator, QR code generator, profit margin calculator, right? We have all these tools that we can use, but the tool that we're going to focus on, the bot that's going to bring us the money over and over again, just by typing one word, is slogan generator. Click that button here, okay? So everybody with me? Give me a thumbs up if you're with me, okay? Can everybody see that? All right, look. Look at this. This is insane how simple this is. And this is insane that so many people right now that you don't know about, they're making money using this online right now today. It's very new. So what I'm going to share with you is get in now on the competition before the competition comes, all right? Listen, you can type in any keyword, and I'm going to give you a site where you can do this to get the keywords so you can create the slogans fast so you can get paid today. Look, Wesley, oh look, you can type something like, I love Wesley. Say if I'm trying to talk about Wesley Virgin, and you know, maybe you love Wesley Virgin, maybe you hate him, not sure, okay? But you know one thing about Wesley Virgin, he keep it real, baby. Let's get it. Look, I love Wesley Virgin, okay? If I did search here, look what happens here. This is gonna blow your mind. Look at all the slogans that you can use for free. Don't mess with I love Wesley Virgin. Everything we do is driven by I love Wesley Virgin. Good honest, I love Wesley Virgin since 1896. So what you're looking at here is thousands of slogans that you're going to use on the website that I'm going to give you in a second to get paid thousands of dollars per day. And remember, it's up to you. You can make more or you can make less. It's all up to you. But that's all you have to do is type in the word here and the slogans come here. You put it on the other site that I'm going to show you and you rake in cash. Does that make sense? Are you with me? Okay. All right. Smash the like button. If you're motivated, dedicated, let's go. Let's get it, baby. The next site is, are you guys with me here? Here we go. I want you to go to peopleperhour.com. Now, please don't share this. Now, listen, you can share the video, but what I want you to do is I want you to make the money first and show your friends and family that you're not a screw up, because I know they believe you're a screw up, and say, hey, I'm making $1,000 a day. How much money you're making, right? So the thing is, that's why it's important to take action now. It's important to tune in and make sure you follow everything that you're hearing step by step in the video. Go to the site right now, peopleperhour.com, and basically, this site gets millions of views every single month, and a lot of people don't know about it, okay? That's why I'm giving it to you. And if you go to this box right here, this is what I want you to do. Type in the word slogan, okay? Boom. And what you see here, people are getting paid to create slogans for other people. This person right here, let me show you how much money they're on. The competition right now is pretty much non-existent, but so many people right now are looking for slogans. This young lady right now, she charged $55. She have already had 578 people who have purchased a slogan from her for $55. Do the math. What's 50 times 500? Can somebody do the math for me? That's over $25,000 if I did that math correctly, all right? $25,000 just by basically doing nothing, using a bot here, right? And giving people the slogan. And right now, Amanda is just killing it. And she's probably like a single mom, older, at home, not working a job, and earning about $25,000 average per month or every 60 days. And look at this. Look at this. This young man, John, $55 for a slogan. That's crazy, right? A tagline. That's 627 people that's already bought it. Do the math. What's 600 times 50? Minus the fees, about $30,000. Listen, you can do this. Anybody. Look at this black kid. Black girl, I'm not sure, right? Tahara, right? $15, 48. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Don't worry, because I know what you're thinking. Well, Wesley, I want to make money online. I see that people are making money. I see it's like powerful. And the great thing about People Per Hour, a lot of people don't know about this site. Listen, this is what you want to do. You want to click on her profile. Now, listen, this is how you make the money like within 24 hours. I mean, now, immediately, okay? This is how you do it. This is how all the large internet marketers do it. This is how I do it as well. What you want to do is come at the word below, model. You want to click on this lady's profile here, and you just want to model everything that you see here. You model everything, okay? From the picture here, from the word, from the content here, model everything, even the price point. And what I would do, instead of $55, I would do $40, because now Homegirl is about to have some competition, which is you. So that means of all the millions of people that are coming to the site per month, and probably about 100,000 of these people are looking for slogans, because right now, let me tell you why. So many people are creating businesses right now because of the COVID-19, because of how the economical structure is happening on the planet here. So many people are trying to start a business, right? So they're looking for slogans. So a lot of people are going here. Listen, you need to get some of that cash. Does that make sense? You need to get some of that cash right now, right? Imagine earning $500 to $1,000 a day. That's 30 grand a month. Let's go. If you can do this, comment below. I can do this. That's all you have to do. And then whatever the person wants, say if the person said, well, I want you to create a slogan based on I love money. Okay, whatever. I love money. Boom. That's all you do. And you take these slogans with a copy and paste. You click it, boom, it copies. And you find the one that you think it's going to be. You can do 5, 10. You can say, you know what? I have 20 slogans that I've studied. I have 20 slogans that I've researched. And I know this is going to work for your business. I'm going to send you 10. I know you wanted 1. Listen, I'm teaching you guys how to make money online fast. And say, hey, I know you wanted 1 slogan, but here's 10. That's $55 over and over and over again. Does that make sense? How many of you right now, comment below if you can do this? How many of you, this made perfect sense? Listen, if you need to watch the video again, watch it again. But I'm going to give you this piece of advice before I let you go. You have to believe deeply within yourself that you can do something like this. Before you get started, you have to get your mindset right. Which means is if you approach this and say, man, I can't do it. I tried it one time, it didn't work. Then you're a loser. Okay, winners They win because they continue to try and they continue to go through the trial and error process like now to get exactly what they want. Does that make sense? That's why many people sub to my channel. That's why they turn on the notification and smash the like button, because I give value. But at the same time, you got to put in the work, okay? But how easy it is. It's a free bot. You just click a button and look, I'm going to give you more value. You can go to sites like this, freelance.com. I'll do it. Freelance.com. Go to it right now. This is how you get paid more money. Freelance.com. All right. Look at this. I'm sorry. It's freelancer.com actually. Freelancer.com is another site where you can put another profile and do the same exact thing what you do on people per hour. And then you can go to another site. Write this down. Fiverr.com. Look, it has a little bit more competition, but what I would do if I was broke right now and I was watching a video like this to make money online today fast, well, I'm going to sign up to all these sites. I'm going to create the same profile that I'm going to model from the people per hour, right? And I'm going to get logos done. And there's no reason why you can't get 5 to 10 orders every single day. Does that make sense? How many of you will do this? Okay, comment below if you will do this now. Listen, if you ever need help, if you ever say, Wesley, this makes perfect sense. I love you and I love these videos and it makes sense, but I'm just an older person. I don't get it. Or I'm a younger person. I'm not technical. In the link in the description under this video, I can help you. You don't have to do it, but if you need extra help, you go to the link that's in the description below and I got your back. Listen, I'm not going to play with you, but I'm going to work. If you're willing to work, if you're willing to be focused, click the link. Let's get started. But honestly, you can do this right now, okay? Watch the video a few times and just go through the steps. Sign up to all these sites and watch the money come in. This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. It's time to make money online. Motivated, dedicated. Let's go.